Okay, so this is a video on how to train a skill in IBM Watson. So if you go into Services and Software, and we're going to be training a skill on this assistant, the LatchAid Test Watson assistant. We've launched that assistant. And click this button here and make sure that we are in we're not in the new experience. The new experience doesn't have any of the LatchAid data in it. Click this button here, and here are all the different skills. So say we're going to train something in the misinformation engine. Piece of misinformation, like, I don't know, alcohol during pregnancy. You don't need to add a description. I like to put the intent name as something quite descriptive. And then you add a user example like, so IBM Watson will be comparing the chatbot data to these examples. So you want to add something like, it's okay to drink Guinness while pregnant, or alcohol is fine during pregnancy. So these are misinformation. Something about IBM Watson is that it's based on keywords, and something that a sentence that's very similar would be alcohol is not fine during pregnancy. Now that will probably flag up as a high confidence with alcohol during pregnancy. So it's better to train it to recognize something, recognize the intent at all, and then give the correct information anyway. So this is that intent. You can download that and it will save it as a CSV file. And one advantage of this is if you're uploading a new skill, you can type it in a CSV file and upload it like that. It's a little bit faster than doing it like this. Another thing is if you want to download the entire skill, you can download it like that, and it will save it as a JSON file that looks like this. So there's that intent that we just made, and the two entries. Generally you need minimum 5, ideally at least 20 intents for it to be a good model. And from this you can have a dialogue. So at the moment we've got it so that if it detects a similarity with a confidence of more than 60%, so more than 0.59, then we have all these different things. If the assistant recognizes alcohol when breastfeeding, it will give this text response, and you have several different options here. It will give this text response, and this gives the correct information. And then you can have it jump to actions. And it's the same with each of these intents. It all has a different response with the correct information. And we have, if it detects anything else, then it will pause and it will ask you, did you mean this? And that's disambiguation. So did you mean, and it'll say, did you mean alcohol during pregnancy? Did you mean galactagogues? Anything like that. And that will happen if the assistant doesn't detect anything above the 60% threshold.